Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you don't know us, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently back in Bangkok. Yay! And tomorrow is Songkran. This is our first ever Songkran and we cannot wait. We're just heading to the big sea to do our big Songkran shop. We've been going on about mango sticky rice like ever since we left Thailand, and literally our hotel is behind that tree and mango sticky rice is there. So, I mean, that's going to be pretty much every single day we're going to be eating mango sticky rice. And Reanne's absolutely jubilant around it.
My favourite food ever!
So the Big C Super Centre is literally like 35-minute walk. We thought we'd just walk it today. It's a beautiful day today. The temperature here in Bangkok today is like 35. It's like the hottest time. Loads of people are setting up, look. Songkran festivals everywhere. It's going to be buzzing. I've done a lot of research and I think Bangkok is the place to be for Songkran, definitely.
Oh my god, we finally made it to the Big C. That was one hell of a walk. It was like 40 minutes in the end with the sun beaming down on your head. Look, I'm just sweating buckets.
So hot today.
It is hot. I don't think you're meant to be walking around in this type of heat.
Maybe we'll get the SkyTrain back.
Yeah, I need to get a drink. I'm so dehydrated and thirsty. But this is Thailand's biggest supermarket and I'm pretty certain the cheapest. And we should be able to get our water guns here. Hopefully being the day before Songkran, there should be some still here. But look, there's loads of like little stalls and markets at the front as well. But let's head inside and get some AC. I am melting. Oh my god, this AC is unreal. There's also like little stores in the centre of it. So we've got like loads of colourful tops. Like these hats, vest tops, so we can proper like dress up for it. I'm not sure what I want to wear yet. It's got to be something like colourful, bright. But here's the Big C. We're going to head into there now. There's still loads of water guns here. I'm not sure if I want one of the really big ones. I think we might have to.
Mid-range, right?
Yeah, but if you're going to go, what's the word?
You're going to go all in.
That's it. This one I like. That might have to be mine. Wow, I even like these colourful t-shirts. How much are these then? $2.59. I might have to get it. Because we're going off budget quite a bit today, we actually got like paid like £30 from TikTok, so that's going to pay for our shopping spree today. This is how we live now, because we literally live off what we earn. So if we're spending more in a day, we've got to find it somewhere. Welcome to the world of full-time travelling on a budget. Of course you want the most expensive one.
If you look at it, it's massive. It's like
It don't go with your personality though. You need like a small one. I'm thinking this one, so I need to match the gun with like a blue or pink, I think. What are you going for?
I'm thinking like purple. But I need a bigger size, so be on the hunt for a bigger size, yeah.
I like how I've gone blue and he's gone purple.
Modern man.
Nothing wrong with it. Oh, that's alright.
Yeah. It's going to be undone.
Yeah, I think that one.
Yeah.
Now matching the gun. Oh, mine might have to be a blue.
That's what I was going for.
Well, don't go for your top. You need purple. Go get a trolley. Fill it up with some goodies.
I was worried that they wouldn't have water pistols in that air, but there's absolutely loads of them.
Right, I think we need like a hat now. Found a few hats. Don't think I'm feeling this bucket hat.
I'm waiting for the oranges, so I'm fine with this. I think this will be fine.
Or we've got a cowboy hat.
Yeah, I reckon that looks good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Giddy up!
Yeah, we ain't got that.
I don't know. Oh, these ones.
Plenty of choices for a shirt. Christmas one. Oh, how much is it?
$2.99.
Yeah, get that instead. But
Me?
No, I want a cold.
You want a cold?
Yeah, I love a cold. I do love a cold.
Orange or yellow?
Yellow. It needs to be massaged though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shorts? This isn't for girls, is it?
Oh, that don't matter, does it? Unisex.
No, unisex.
Uni, like university sex. Lost Reanne. Ended up in a woman's underwear. She literally does this to me every single time. Just goes off somewhere and I have no idea where she is. Strolling around like a numpty. There you are. Huh?
The ladies are pointing to you.
You are?
The ladies, I'm shouting Ben and they're pointing to you where you are.
Because I was like strolling around the woman's underwear and that. Probably thought like, what's this guy doing?
What's this guy filming?
Yeah, he's filming with his water pistols in the women's underwear section. Yeah, these are waterproof bags, but we've got this thing. I'm trying to show you. And I think this is waterproof, so I'll probably just use this. Trolley's getting quite full. Here she goes again. She looks proper rapid. Come off. Struggling, eh? Well, as we stock up Songkran, I think one of the main essentials for me, definitely, beer. And Leo is better than Chang. If you come to Thailand, trust me, Leo is better than Chang. These ones are deep. Oh my god. Help me out.
How? What are you getting?
This one.
Alright, you're going for them, yeah?
Yeah, I mean... Try and do this with one hand.
No, just trying to do that being Ben.
Yeah.
I think if you had both hands, you still would have knocked them all over. Alright, next thing, let's get loads of water in. I think, do you think we should get like big ones like this?
Fridge, yeah.
Well, that was quite a successful shopping trip. I haven't got a hat yet, and I did want a new bikini, but there wasn't none in there. But how much did it all come to? About 1,600. We got beers, water, coke, guns, tops, so quite a lot.
Yeah, we had a well good shop. Loads of stuff out here. I wouldn't mind getting a fruit juice to give myself some vitamins before the drinking and stuff over the weekend.
Food, glorious food. Oh, we got some chicken, crispy chicken, fish. Ah, we wanted some pork. One of them pork sticks. Oh, they're literally heaven.
There's some down there.
Oh, do you want to go back down?
Yeah.
Ah, they're normally there. We're going back down. We're walking more in the heat for longer just so we can get some pork.
Yeah, that's too right.
Tip, get your tops outside here. They're a lot cheaper. 150. Is that pork?
Head back. Two.
Oh.
Oh, mate.
Oh, they're not the ones I was thinking of though.
Yeah, but these look belly pork.
Oh.
Unreal, look.
Good. Oh my god, that's pure fat. Pure fat.
That is so unhealthy, it's so good.
It's in a really nice marinade. It's like a sweet marinade. 10 baht each, absolutely fantastic. It's our lunch. I think we're going to jump on the Sky train to head back. That was just too far earlier. It'll knock it down to less than half. Ben spotted some mangoes, so he's grabbing some.
Thank you.
Thank you. He's got like 2 mangoes. 30 baht for 2 mangoes.
Cheap, isn't it? It's half the price it is in Big C.
Yeah, get your stuff out here.
Yeah.
A mango at home in the UK is about £2, which is roughly about 90 baht.
90 baht, yeah.
Yeah, it's about 90 baht for a mango in the UK, and that's like Ben's favourite fruit.
It's got 2 for 30. Oh my god.
What a great day.
Oh, what a great day.
Oh my god, we've made it back. We stupidly walked 40 minutes and I'm dying. Literally, I need some AC, I need a drink, and I need to get out of the sun. I feel like I'm burnt to a crisp. We're meant to be going out and doing some washing in a bit at the OTWD. I don't know if I'm going to leave it till tomorrow. It's only 5 minutes up the road, but I'm done in. This heat is unreal.
Relax.
Just give me that, get in that AC bin.
Don't need to be done today, get done tomorrow. This is sort of life we live.
We normally never take the lift, we normally take the stairs, but I don't think I've got any energy to take the stairs. We're at like the 3rd floor. 4th? 3rd? 3rd, are we?
Yeah.
And this is where we're staying for a week.
Get that AC on.
Oh my god, yeah, put the card in. I hate it when it's places where you've got to put cards in. I had to put on Ben's hat, my head was like on fire. So this is our place. We've got A nice double bed so Ben can try and get away from me, but he don't succeed. Seating area that's ended up, this is like our laundry we need to do. That's the only clean clothes we've got. Wardrobe, fridge, TV, smart TV as well. We actually like watched something on TV for once last night. Really good AC. It gets really cold. It's so good.
Almost gets too cold, doesn't it?
Yeah. I had to turn it off in the middle of the night. A sink separate to the bathroom. This is our bathroom. It's actually really nice. Separate shower and toilet. And then we got a little balcony. So this is perfect for us for 2 weeks. All you need is a fridge and good AC. That's what I think. And a comfy bed. That is a really comfortable bed. But let's show you the bits that we got at the big sim. Well, I was getting the bits out to show you what we bought, but my papaya has gone everywhere in the bag. So our tops and that we're meant to be wearing tomorrow. I might have to actually go and wash them now, so I don't have the fruits got all over them. We might be all right.
Right, after our little shop, I'll talk you through what we got. We got water pistol each, shirts each. I ended up getting a co-ord, so I've got matching shorts. You know what I'm like. Some beers, some Coke, and this hat. But tomorrow we are meeting loads of our YouTubers and we're renting 2 big pickup trucks and just driving around everywhere in Bangkok. We're meeting the 2 Mad Explorers tonight, gonna have a few beers, and then tomorrow is Songkran. Good morning, it's the next day, a little bit delicate. We ended up going out last night and having a million beers. We met up with Frank and Sarah and the 2 Mad Explorers, Luke and Naomi. Honestly, got a bit carried away, didn't get into like 3 AM. Didn't really intend to do that like the day before Songkran, but at the end of the day, we planned everything out and we are actually going to spend Songkran with them, flying around Bangkok in a van, and it's going to be absolutely unbelievable. I cannot wait to do it. Today, obviously we've got to get our laundry done and we've got a few tasks to do, still in preparation for Songkran.
I'm actually really proud of myself. I've been going on about doing this washing for like the last couple of days and keep putting it off, but today, with a hangover, we're out and about and we're getting it done. Oh gosh.
Shout out to friend of drinkers in 7-Eleven, but I feel absolutely fine today.
I think that helped.
Yeah, definitely.
Not that we got too drunk. We only had like, I don't know, about 50 drinks or something.
50, yeah, we had loads of drinks.
Nah, we only had a few. It weren't mental night. It was just like such a good night of chatting and laughing. It was so good. But as you can see, the Songkran preps are coming along. It actually starts tomorrow. I know yesterday we said Songkran's the next day, but it's actually the next day. We were getting mixed up with our day. Tomorrow we're meeting at the meeting point at 11 o'clock and we're out until 5 in the evening, so it's going to be a long, knackering day.
Yeah, it's going to get very wet.
So that's why we're sorting our lives out today, because I think the day after that it's going to be nothing.
Yeah, like, I don't really know what to expect from Songkran, do you? Like, obviously we're going to get wet.
Ottawa, the laundrette, should be literally 5 minutes up the road. Again, boiling hot weather, but we can man through 5 minutes. All right, we've made it to Ottawa. Let's get some washing done. So I'm actually being sensible in doing a light and dark wash, so I'm going to do 2 separate loads. First of all, we've got to buy our smelly stuff to add in the machine, aren't I? Just buy and put it in. $5. Big one. Alright, the washing's on. It cost 50 baht per washing machine, so we had 2 washing machines, but now we've just got to wait 26 minutes for it to wash and then put it in the tumble dryer for an extra 50 baht. I love how easy it is getting washing done here in Thailand. Obviously, probably, I'd say 80% of our life isn't glamorous. This is just all part of every single day. Well, I say every single day, it's been about 3 weeks since we've done washing, so. While we're waiting for the washing to be done, we've walked over to 7-Eleven, got ourselves a nice cold Coke Zero drink in here, 26 baht for this massive Coke.
Gotta love 7-Eleven, ain't you?
It's my favourite place. It's so good. We have been absolutely so excited for a Coke Zero. The whole time in India, we couldn't find it. We could only find Diet Coke, and Diet Coke is bleh. There's not many diet drinks, is there? If you know us, this is like our favourite drink. This is what comes before tea, coffee, anything.
Before water?
Everything.
Yeah.
Washing's all done. We've just been to 7-Eleven, got some water in, because all we had in the fridge was beer and Coke Zero. Not very sensible. And also, I nearly slipped up. I like skidded on like a sandy rock bit and smashed my toe on a rock. So I am now bleeding, as you can see, bleeding to death. So I'm going to head back to our apartment and put my leg up for a bit and like wrap it in a bandage and sort it out.
Call an ambulance.
Call an ambulance. Yeah. Tomorrow is Songkran, so the big video is going to be tomorrow. We're going to literally release this now. We'll release that tomorrow. But after Songkran, we will continue our India series, so don't unsubscribe or leave us. We will be back. We just wanted to get these 2 videos out ASAP.
Absolutely, cannot wait for tomorrow. I'm so buzzing.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
It's like a massive water fight party. If you don't know what Songkran is, it is New Year in Thailand, and it just goes mental.
Make sure you watch the next video because yeah, it's Songkran. Subscribe.
What's up?
Nothing, I just think like Deloitte.
You never liked Deloitte.
Huh? What's Deloitte like?
Yeah, fine.
Right, let's show you what we got.
Ben, not showing the place.
Oh, alright.
Well, we are getting all our bits out to show you, but the top of Pipella, what is it?
Hi.